Sairam, my most humble and prayerful salutations at the lotus feet of our beloved Bhagavan, Sri Satya Sai Baba, and his divine mother, Ishwaramba. Om Sa Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sa Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sa Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. At the outset, I extend a warm welcome to our dear Swami to be present and to guide us all through the event. I extend a warm welcome to one and all present here who have joined us this auspicious evening. Welcome everyone. Loving Sairams to all of you. Now I hand over the proceedings to our Balvika Guru, Sumati Ramkumar, for a presentation on our Divine Mother, Ishwaramba. Sairam, over to you, Sumati Sairam.
Sairam, Archana, can you make me the host, please?
Done.
Yeah. You can see now, Archana?
Yes, we can see. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Sairam, a very warm welcome to all of you who have joined us today. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of our dear Lord Sai and Divine Mother Ishwarama. While we are celebrating this Ishwarama week, I'm very thankful to Swami for giving us this opportunity to learn about the life of this great Divine Mother. So children, many of you would have not learnt about Mother Ishwarama. So we are taking this opportunity to learn about Mother Ishwarama, who is not just a mother, she is called as the divine chosen mother. So today we will learn why she is the chosen mother and what were her qualities that made her the chosen mother. Okay, so this is the picture of Mother Ishwarama. Okay, so now, so what if someone asks us who is a mother? So what will we all say? We will all say a mother is one who loves us, who nurtures us, who cares us, who provides for us, isn't it? And we generally ask how many brothers you have, how many cousins you have. We never ask how many mothers you have. But you know, according to Hinduism, we actually have 5 mothers. And what are they? They are called as the Dehamata, Deshamata, Bhumata, Vedamata, and Gomata. Okay, so now we will look in detail about what everything is. Okay, so Dehamata is the physical mother. All of us have our mothers, isn't it? Okay, the mother who gave birth to us, who cared for us, who looks after us every time. So that is called as the Dehamata or the physical mother. Her unconditional love is something all of us experience every day. That is Deshamata, or we call as the motherland. Okay, our country, Bharat Mata, we always say, isn't it, when we celebrate our Independence Day and Republic Day? So Bharat Mata, this is Desha Mata, the one the country which gives us our security. We have our, like, the land of our birth. Earth is Bhumata, or Mother Earth. And Mother Earth is the one, isn't it, who provides us food. Without Mother Earth, there will be no food for us. And without food, we cannot grow, we cannot be nurtured at all. And Mother Earth provides us shelter, food, and everything. So, like how our physical mother takes care of all our needs, Mother Earth is the one who looks after all the needs of everyone. So, she is someone who has to be revered. So, that is Bhumata. And next is, this is called Vedamata. Hinduism is a way of life. Okay, and Vedas are the source of Hinduism. And what do they teach us? They teach us about how we should live. Vedas are nothing but the teachings of how we should live. And just like how our mother teaches, a mother teaches a child, isn't it? How to speak, how to behave, how to do everything. Like that, the Vedas have taught us how to lead a peaceful and contented life. So we revere the Veda Mata as the mother for all of us. We're all supposed to follow the teachings of the Veda Mata. And next, what is the next mother? Is the Go Mata, or the holy cow. See, it is believed in Hinduism, all the gods, goddesses all reside in the cow. And that's why we worship the cow. You all would have seen, isn't it? During Sankranti, and so many times we see goddess Lakshmi as the cow. We do puja to the cow, and even when there is a housewarming ceremony, the cow, we allow the cow to enter. So like that, the Gomata, or the cow, is very revered, and it is the fifth mother. Okay, so other than our physical mother, whom we call Amma, Ma, mother, mom, whatever we call, we have the others are also our mothers according to our Hinduism. Okay, now there's a small quiz. You have to identify who is this? Who is this? Any one of you can unmute and say.
Sumati aunty, it's Satya Sai Baba.
Yes.
Aunty, this is Satya Sai Baba.
Correct. All of you are correct.
Baba.
Yes. Bhagavan Satya Sai Baba. We call him as Bhagavan. He is God. Satya Sai Baba. But though he was Bhagavan, he is God himself who came on land, who came on earth. But he wanted to show us, whatever he did was a lesson to us. He had a physical mother, and he wanted to say how a mother should behave, how a son should be to the mother. Everything he showed in his life, and everything is a lesson for us. And now this is none other than Baba's physical mother. Okay, she was called as Namagiri Amma. Okay, her earlier name was Namagiri Amma, but she was married after she was married to Pedda Venkamaraju. Okay, Baba's father, Baba's grandfather, called Kondamaraju. Some of you are familiar with these names. Kondamaraju changed her name as Ishwara Amma. Ishwara means God, isn't it? Amma means mother. She's the mother of God. She is going to be the mother of God. He had that kind of a prediction he could make, because he felt such good vibrations when she was getting married to Pedda Venkamaraju, and he changed her name to Ishwara Amma. So Namagiri Amma became Ishwara Amma. And then yes, Baba's parents, Pedda Venkamaraju and Ishwara Amma. Okay, now I was always saying, right, Baba's chosen mother. So usually what happens, we don't have a control over who is our mother. But for Bhagavan, it is not like that. He chooses who has the honor of being his mother. And Bhagavan usually decides the time when he has to come down to earth to take care of everyone. So there was a time when he decided, okay, it is time for me to come down to earth. And he decided who his mother is going to be. It's none other than the pious Ishwaramma, and the place where he chose to be born was Puttaparthi. And it was when Bhagavan came to, you all know, right? One blue ball of light entered Ishwaramma when she was drawing water from the well. And that is when she realized there is something divine going to happen. And what was that? After some time, after the blue light entered her, there was strange things happening in their house. The musical instruments in their house started playing. There was, on their own, they made music. And the people in the house, they were so surprised. Then they went to some astrologer and all and asked, what is this? Some music is coming on their own. And the astrologer said, don't worry. It's all good things. Nice music is being played. Good things are going to happen. Some divine baby is going to be born, they said. And as I told you, Ishwaramma was a very pious, devoted lady. And what did she do? On 23rd November, and then she used to do, her mother-in-law used to do the Satyanarayana Puja. And Ishwaramma, on 23rd November 1926, she gave birth to a baby boy. But before that, she took the prasadam of Satyanarayana Puja, which was done by her mother-in-law. She had the prasadam, and the early morning hours, she gave birth to a baby who was named as Satyanarayana Raju, because she took the prasadam of Satyanarayana Puja and had that baby. And then what happened? Like how there was a miracle before the baby was born, instruments were playing on their own. Then this baby was placed on a bed of old clothes, and they saw a snake wriggling under it and blessing the baby. And that time itself they knew, and it was not causing any harm, like how the serpent, on which Lord Vishnu lies down, like that. They thought, okay, this is something very, very strange is happening. And now what is happening? What kind of a mother was Ishwaramma? She was a loving mother. She sang, she was always in that, Baba's family itself was always involved in Harikathas, singing songs of names of God, and doing the Nama Sankirtana of all stories of Bhagavatam. So music was always there in their family. She was a very loving mother, and she sang the glory of God through bhajans and melodious songs. But she observed, she had children before, Parvatamma, and Baba Satya had a brother, Seshamaraju, and sisters. But she found something very different in this child. He used to not speak too much, he used to not eat too much, but always calm, no crying, no fuss. So she found she was enjoying being the mother of this baby. And though they were a family which ate non-vegetarian food, from a little age, he was very firm. He refused to eat non-vegetarian food. He did not want to hurt any animal and eat any food. He was so firm, and he refused to eat. And what was the other thing as she observed? She observed that he was very compassionate, had a very kind heart. So when some beggar used to come and ask for food, immediately he used to tell his sisters and his mother, please give food, please give food. But in their house, they were not very rich, so they could only make enough food for their family. And he used to cry and do so much galata and ask them to give food. And now Ishwaramma, this was becoming a habit, and then Ishwaramma said, okay, now if you keep crying like this, you have to give your share of food. What will we do? We all are hungry. And readily he agreed, and he said, okay, I will give my share, and happily he gave his share. But any mother, though she punished, after that she feels very sorry. Oh, maybe my child is hungry. Maybe he is, he should be hungry. His stomach should be hurting. Like that, she'll go and ask, okay, are you hungry? You want something? Then he'll say, no, Amma, I'm not hungry. See, look at my hands. And he used to show his hands, which were so fragrant, nice smell, aroma used to come from his hands of milk, curd. He said, one old man came and gave me food. Don't worry, I'm not hungry. Just because I gave food for the beggar, I'm not hungry. Don't worry. He used to very cheerfully say that to his mother. And then what happened? He was like a darling of the mother and the village. Everybody liked him. He was always like a leader, always teaching people good things. And he was like the apple of the eye, they used to say. Like that, he was the darling of the village as he was growing up. But now what happened? Unlike any normal child, there were certain things happening. Certain things like You remember there is a chair incident. I'm not going into detail because we're going to focus on Ishwaramma. So there were some divine incidents, leelas that happened.
Okay, now I think it won't come. You first disable and then you can share your screen.
Yes. So I will. Yeah, it is already this thing disabled only.
Yes, it's not there now.
Okay. So these were the leelas which indicated that Satya was a divine child. And so what was happening then in the year 1940? Because of so many divinities that was happening, people were wondering, what is this? What is this? Why? And his mother and father and all were, and who are you? Why all these things are happening? And then he picked up a handful of jasmine flowers and threw them on the floor. And immediately those flowers, they formed on their own. I am Sai Baba. His mother was so surprised. He was like wondering, what is this, like that? And then what happened? His brother, Satya's brother, called Seshamaraju, he told his mother, now I'm going to take Satya with me to Kamalapuram. I'm going to give him higher education. He has to go to high school. He can join the services there, he said. And then what happened again? Ishwaramma, like any other mother, she was so attached to the child and she felt very sad that she has to be separated from this child. But she also realized education is important. So she agreed and she sent, like any of us, right? When we have to go, like your brothers, or when we have to go to hostel or other places to study, your mothers feel sad. So like that, even Ishwaramma was having all the same feelings like how any mother will have. But so happened in October 1940, Satya, he just decided that he no longer belongs to his family. He belongs to the world, and he made a declaration. I don't belong only to you. I belong to the whole world. And he left his brother's house and came out. And I'm on a mission, he left out. Then his mother and father, when they heard from Puttaparthi that this has happened, they came running and they came and cried, why do you want to leave our family? Don't do this and all. She was so upset to lose her darling child. So then she, but Satya was very firm. And then Ishwaramma requested, I want to feed you for a last time as a mother. And she gave him the food, and Satya mixed up everything and he said, okay, now I belong to the world. I am no longer only your son. She was very heartbroken, but she also thought, okay, there is a reason why all these things are happening. And then what happened? Then she said, okay, I may not be your mother, but you're my son. Don't go, don't go. Hearing these words from his mother, Satya made a promise. He said, I promise you, I will never leave Puttaparthi. The whole world will have to come to Puttaparthi. These words were like nectar to the mother's ear. She was so happy that, okay, maybe he doesn't belong only to me. He belongs to the whole world, but he's going to be in Puttaparthi, so I can watch him grow. I can watch him, reach his mission in higher level like that. And then what happened here in Puttaparthi, Baba was becoming very popular and everybody slowly realized he is Bhagavan, God who has come there to remove all their problems. And all the people from all over the world started coming there. And Ishwaramma thoroughly enjoyed the close proximity. She was able to see, you can see Ishwaramma here next to Swami. So she was very happy to be close to Baba. Now, see, this is Ishwaramma when she's become a little older. See, why did Baba choose this lady to be his mother? Because she had some extraordinary qualities. Okay? Though every mother is loving, kind, and all, she was a little very, very special. She was very simple. She was very humble. And she never took advantage of being mother of God. Though after Baba had declared he is God and all, she didn't take advantage. Okay, I am his mother, no? Okay, all of you give me some attention, give me this importance like that. She never took all those advantages at all. She was very sensible and observant. She used to observe everything. Baba always says, no, be alert, be aware. She was like that. And she was so compassionate. Compassionate means so kind. Anybody is in trouble, she used to bother her a lot. And she used to think of a solution for all that. See, most of the time we feel sorry, but we are not even doing anything, or we don't even attempt to do anything. But she, though she was uneducated, she came from a village background, she was always thinking of some solutions to find solutions to the problems. She was ready to help, and she loved all the children alike. And not only that, she used to keep all the children together. She used to teach them stories of high moral value. And here you see her role in his mission. Though she was the chosen mother, there's a reason. She had a big role in Swami's mission. Swami's mission is love all, serve all. And she had some big role to play. Not just to be the mother for 14 years and then just to live in Puttaparthi. She had a role. And what was that? As I told you, she was very, very compassionate. And she had 3 wishes from Swami. She always saw, children in that school, in that village of Puttaparthi had only a primary school. And even for middle school and all, they had to walk so far. So she said, Swami, she asked for a small, there's only a primary school. At least give a middle school for our children, she asked. But Baba fulfilled her wishes by giving a world famous university, Satya Sai University. And it is all free, of course, no fees. Everything is taken care of. Like that, Satya, Baba fulfilled Ishwarama's first wish. And then she had another wish. And that was because there was no health care in that place. There's no clinic also. Even when people had some small ailments, they had to walk so far for treatment. She said, Swami, build a small clinic. All the people of Puttaparthi are suffering. Was that so? Baba said, and what did he do? He gave her the state-of-the-art super specialty hospital, not only to the people of Puttaparthi, but to people from all the places, especially, from all remote places in India, people come there for treatment. And what was the third wish? Her third wish was, she observed people in Puttaparthi, even for one pot of water during the drought hit months, they had to walk so many miles to fetch water. Swami, poor people, they are walking in the hot sun. Why don't you do something for the water? He said. And then what happened? Then Swami provided water for the people of Puttaparthi, the Anantapur, the entire district. And not only that, he even extended the water project to even other states like Tamil Nadu, where they always had problems with water. And now this lady, the great lady, Mother Ishwarama, she was the embodiment of right conduct. And she was not like the mother only to Swami. She was like the mother to everyone. Anyone know when they have the problems, when they're not able to reach Baba, they used to come and tell her. And Ishwarama slowly used to tell, poor thing, they are suffering like that. But Baba, he used to say, okay, let me not take too much, give too many opportunities for her to come and tell all these things. He used to always have a boundary, but had a very, very high respect for.
Sairam, Yamuna, please put your phone on mute. Yamuna Shri?
Auntie.
Yeah, your phone was not in mute. Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. Then on 6th May 1972, what happened? So like this, Ishwarama fulfilled, God helped us, Swami, to fulfill all her wishes. And so she was able to extend love and care to all the people. And she was growing old. And on May 6th, 1972, in Vrindavan Ashram, what happened? Ishwarama, that early morning, she called out, Swami, 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 she said. And Baba said, I'm coming. And the chosen mother fell at the lotus feet of the Lord and merged with him. But previous day, she had happily gone for shopping, and Baba gave her money to go shopping. She was very happy. And in no time, she was able to just merge with Swami. She was able to leave her body and she passed away. And that time, Baba was conducting a summer course, and immediately he didn't want anything to be stopped. He arranged for her body, the mortal remains, to be shifted to Puttaparthi, and there they have made a nice, gave a respectful last farewell for her, and a nice samadhi was built. And every time when now 23rd November, when it is Baba's birthday, he used to go and pay respects to his parents' samadhi. This shows how each one of us have to respect our parents. So on our birthdays, the first thing we should do, we should prostrate to our parents and get their blessings. Like how Bhagavan himself was doing that. And not only that, I told you that initially the 5 matas, isn't it? So Baba, always his life is his message. And what did he do? His life, as in now we saw that how he respected his physical mother. And not only that, he was a great propagator of Vedas. You can see the small children, right? He used to, in his schools and his all Balvikas, in the Balvikas classes and everything, he encourages children to learn shlokas, Vedas, and he propagates the Veda Mata and Gomata. See, he has a nice Goshala called as Gokulam in Vrindavan here in Bangalore. And Baba used to show high respect for the cow and Mother Earth. Always Baba was so environment friendly, did so much for the environment. And his mother's wish of him staying in Puttaparthi, and he always stayed in Puttaparthi and gave darshan to all the people who came there. And now we were always talking about Ishwaramma Day, Ishwaramma Week and all that, isn't it? So May 6th is called as Ishwaramma Day, and it is also called as Balvikas Day. Because why it is called as Balvikas Day? Because I told you Ishwaramma was very, very fond of children, and she was the one, she used to keep telling stories, and that was like the foundation for the whole Balvikas program. And Ishwaramma Day is also celebrated as Balvikas Day. And in those days, when Baba used to be in his physical form, all the Balvikas children used to get the first block to sit and have the importance. And Baba used to come, talk to them, and have a nice cultural program children used to put, and Baba used to enjoy. So May 6th is called as Ishwaramma Day and also as the Balvikas Day. So Jai Sai Ram children. So I hope you have learned what a great lady this Mother Ishwaramma was to Swami, and she was the mother to everyone also. Okay. Sai Ram. Now over to Bhavani to continue our proceedings.
Thank you, Sumati Sai Ram, for that exhaustive and comprehensive presentation, which encompassed almost all the points about our Divine Mother Ishwaramba and also our beloved Swami. Thank you, Sumati Sai Ram, for that lovely presentation. Now we move on to the next event, next agenda, the graduation ceremony. I'm extremely delighted to announce that 7 stars, that is 7 children of our Damblur Samiti, they have successfully completed the entire Balvikas course under the able and guidance and tutorship of our senior most Guru Srimati Sudha Murthy. Before we proceed to the ceremony, I request Srimati Sudha Murthy to address the children with her words of wisdom. Over to you, Srimati Sudha Sai Ram. Srimati Sudha Sai Ram, please take over the proceedings. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, everyone. Hope it's okay. Is it okay, Archana?
Yes, Sudha.
Yes. We can hear you.
Sai Ram, children.
Children are very excited to hear your voices.
Sai Ram auntie.
Sai Ram to all of you. It's a wonderful day to be here with you all again. And my namaskarams and good evening to all the parents. It's really wonderful to be here again. All children really, 9 years of Balvikas course you have completed. In a way, it's a course for all Balvikas Gurus also who are all there with you in this journey. We're all together in this journey. 9 years, a wonderful time. Every week, our day and our time is fixed. And we are eager to see all of you. You are all coming regularly to the class and being seated in the class so nicely, everybody. And especially after our Sai Shantam, we got such a nice, wonderful place. And all of us had very good time, even, going through like this, as Sumati was presenting now, the video and everything. So like that, we had a projector, and then we had wonderful time going through all Swami's lovely incidents in his life where we were projecting. And so much we have learned in this 9 years' time. The day when you all entered the Balvikas class, you were taught the importance of Om, prayers, shlokas, bhajans, all this. And now when you are leaving, you know the importance of this Omkara, the efficacy of prayer, how this prayer helps us, shapes us, It gives us hope. It gives us courage. It helps us to stand and then proceed, think and proceed properly in our difficult situations. Today, when you all have graduated and you're getting your certificates, there are three things. You have heard so much in the class. See, when we are hearing, there are many of us hear so many things. But after going back, how many of us were reflecting on that? And after reflecting on that, that means what has happened in the class, and then sharing with others, especially children who share with mother and father. This is what we have learned in the class. And then ruminating on that. Any doubts are there, you clarify your doubts. And next is we put into practice. So between these three, many people who hear in the class, maybe about 15 to 20 children have heard in the class. After going back, they remember and they share with their parents, or to them they think, fewer will be that. And those who put into action will be rare only. The number will be less and less. 20 have heard, when they go back home, only 10, 15 will remember that. And among them, only 5 will take up a decision that I will put into practice. And 1 will really perceive and gain that. So, because these are all very practical, but that one is the one person who really gets 100% benefit out of it. And that person we can call it as Balavikas, completely blossomed child, a completely blossomed child. So when you have entered into the class, you were just like a bud, sweet bud, very nice. And every day when this rose bud is there, every day we'll be looking at the bud, which day it is going to bloom. The day it blooms, it gives you so much of joy. In the same way, whatever Swami has given us, all these teachings, when we put into practice, we really feel very happy. Today, in this very difficult situations, you all would have remembered. I was remembering, in fact, what all we have learned. See, prayers are the only option in these difficult days. We have got money, we have got people around us, but the situation today is like that. We are not able to even meet them also, only on the phone. Even people after dying also, they can't, the near and dear ones cannot go and see them. So what's the use of all these things when I have everything? I have crores of money. I have so many relatives. But today in the difficult times, we are not supposed to step out of the house. This is the time only the real friend, God, is there with us. And this is the time I think all of you, at least some of you would have remembered the natural doctors, the 5 natural doctors whom we have learned in our studies. Natural air, fresh air, good sleep, nutritious food. Today you can see this corona, this disease, how it is telling everyone it is nothing but keeping your hands clean, washing 100 times they are telling for everything. And then when you go out, wash your feet. See, these are all our Indian tradition and custom which we have been following since long. And it's there in our blood. And if we follow this now mother, our Sumati has brought out very nicely, Desha Mata, Deha Mata, Go Mata, Bhu Mata. If we respecting Bhu Mata, see how much of pollution is there around. Why the nature is like this today? How many lives are going? We have never respected. Everything was there in theory. We have learned everything. We get the certificates, we write the answers, we get the certificates. Again, even in your sleep also, if we ask, you will answer. But when we don't put them into practice, this is the situation, what we are seeing, and this continues. I hope all our Balavikas children remember these points in these difficult times. Let us all pray. We know the importance of prayer. We know the efficacy of prayer. And we know the importance of Omkar chanting. When we chant this Omkaram, how it helps us in our breath, in controlling our breath, how it helps us now to expand our lungs and breathe properly so that there is no need of any artificial oxygen. Today we are paying thousands, lakhs of rupees for one oxygen cylinder. See, the nature provides everything. We are not paying anything, but we didn't care for that. So the difference between we, the Balvikas Gurus and Balvikas children, and as well as parents, is that when we know the importance of that, we have to start putting that into practice. Now the class is over for you. You all will be getting your diploma certificate, but every time frame that certificate and keep it, and remember that this is what is being taught to me. This is what I have to follow, and I am this way different from others who have not got this opportunity to learn these things which we got from our Swami. And see how Mother Ishwaramma, so simple, how she led the life, her life. Though she is mother of Baba, she never cared for any name or fame. She was always behind Baba. Whenever Baba called, whatever work was given to Baba, she was doing that. Sumati told that this May 6th is the Children's Day, like Balavika's Day, because Mother Ishwaramma, when at the young age of Swami, when all families were going to meet Swami, she used to tell, you all go, sit aram se, sit happily, whatever Swami is telling you, listen to that. And I will keep all your children with me. I will play with them. Look at the service, what she has rendered to Swami. And everyone enjoyed Swami's presence. They could get Swami's message because their children were happy with Mother Ishwaramma. And she was telling so many stories about our Puranas and everything. So for us to carry on this message, be like Dhruva, that is determined. Whatever I have learned in the class, I should put into practice, and I will put into practice. And the Namasmarana, the power of Nama, we came to know through Ratnakara's story, that is Valmiki. How he became the Adi Kavi. He did not have any education, but just that Nama of Rama changed when he started telling. And Prahlada, look at his courage. He had so much of faith in Swami, in God, Lord Hari, that whatever trouble he was put to, he was very safe. He was telling, see, mother is not there with me, father is not there with me. In fact, father is the one who is troubling. But God is there with me, Hari is there with me, he will take care of. So these are all, when we are young only, it has gone into our blood, in our mind. So when we are in difficult times, we feel that God is the whole and soul, the proprietor of ourselves. So like this, if we take Swami as a real true companion throughout our life, definitely we will feel that this Balavika's class is very beneficial for us. And also all the new children and parents who are there in the class, I request everyone to be with your children, and whatever is taught in the class, this is not something taught actually, the thing what we do not know, it's been given. That education which we are not aware of has come to us in this form of Balavikas. So help each one of us to try to put into practice and lead our life in such a way that beneficial for us and beneficial for everyone. Thank you all. Thank you, children. I'll be very happy now. Each one of you will be receiving the certificate from your mother's hand. Who is your mother? The first Guru. So it's a very, very happy occasion for all of us, and all children are really very nice. This batch of children which are going to get the diploma now is Bhumika, Chaitanya, Dhruv, Sanat, Nikita, Jeevita, Varsha, all of them. Thanks a lot, children. I loved being with you all and participating in all the activities of our Sai Shantam. Further too, Swami is going to give us a lot of work. Just one more year. After that, again, all the parents, children, and everyone should be there for all the activities. Balavika's class, whatever is being taught, it should be there in our mind. It should be there in our blood, in our daily activities. And we look forward to everyone's cooperation. Wonderful gurus are there now. Archana, Bhavani, Sumati, and many parents have become Balavika's gurus now. It's really very happy to be with all of you today with pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba. My prayerful and humble pranams to Swami to keep us all together and help us in this difficult situation to overcome these with all the values putting into action, and see in further also to be together. Sai Ram, everyone.
Thank you, Srimati Sudha, for those kind words of advice and wisdom. I'm sure our children will definitely put into practice all the values that they have learned in the classes. Now I call upon one by one the names. Kindly open your videos, children. First, our Bhumika. Bhumika, are you there, Kana? Bhumika?
Bhavani, I think only the diploma holders to open the videos. Everyone has opened.
Oh, children, see, only those children who are receiving the certificate, they will be opening their videos. Others, kindly group 1, group 2 children, kindly put off your video. This is for those who have graduated, those who have completed the course, successfully completed the course. Bhumika, are you there? Okay. Chaitanya. Chaitanya, kindly open your video and kindly receive the certificate from your, I think, yeah, she's not in Bangalore. Yeah, she has some technical issues, I think. Chaitanya. Okay. Dhruv S. Pujari. Yes. Yeah. Open your video and you can, call your mother.
Yeah.
And take the certificate from your mother. Yeah.
Dhruv is in his native place, so I think his aunt will be doing that for him.
Okay.
Or his mother also, I told her to also join from Bangalore. Let me see. Suma, can you also open your video, please?
Auntie, yeah, I don't have the certificate right now, and my mother can't log in. Like, she can't do it with her phone.
Okay, fine. Never mind. Okay, so I think your aunt is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe she can just shake your hands. Bhavan, you take it.
She's watching.
Okay. Okay. Congratulations. Yeah, Dhruv. Yeah. Shall we move on to the next child? Dhruv. Yeah. Then next I call upon Jeevita. Kindly open your video. Can you receive the certificate from your mother? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Sairam. Sairam, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, please kindly hand over, Shubha madam, kindly hand over the certificate to your daughter. A very obedient child. I can say Damlur Balaruni is Jeevita. Such an obedient child she was. No? Very nice. Congratulations, Jeevita. Yes.
Thanks, auntie.
Yeah. Nikita. Nikita, are you there, Kanna? Yeah. Congratulations. Yeah, Sai Ram, Nalini madam, can you give the certificate to your daughter?
Yeah.
Nikita?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you, auntie. And thank you one and all for all your support all these 9 years. And further also, madam.
Definitely. Srimati Sudha only, she has learned it very beautifully, and I'm sure that, her elder sister is also a Balvika student who has completed the course like Nikita last year also. And so with the whole family, siblings are also Balvika students. Definitely, they will take it forward, all the values that they have learned in the class. God bless you, Kanna. Congratulations.
To all the gurus, thank you one more time.
Thank you, auntie.
Yeah, thank you. Next, Sanat, are you there?
Yes, auntie.
Yeah. Sairam, Sumati. Yeah.
Sairam, auntie. Sairam, auntie.
Yeah, Sumati madam, can you hand over the certificate to Sanat? Congratulations, Sanat. A very brilliant
Thank you,
child.
auntie.
It is for me to bless you always and be with you and guide you, Kanna. Congratulations. A very obedient, another very
Thank you,
beautiful child. All the seven are like stars of our Damlur, all the children. Swami has been very, very kind to give us beautiful, good, loving children to us. Thanks to Swami in this connection. All the best, Sanat. Yeah, then
Thank you, auntie.
the 11th child, yeah. Sai Ram, thank you, Kanna. Congratulations and thank you. Varsha. Senior Varsha.
Sairam, auntie.
Yeah, yeah. Sairam, Yamuna, can you hand over the certificate to Varsha?
Same problems, Bhavani.
Oh,
We
yeah,
also come to
yeah,
my
they are
school,
not-
so I didn't bring the certificate here. I'll just
No problem.
congratulations, Varsha. Thank you.
And congratulate her. Yeah.
Thank you, Auntie.
Yeah, congratulations, Varsha. It's a great,
Thank
proud
you.
moment
Thank
for
you,
all
ma'am.
of us. And I'm sure, as Sudha Madam has told, you will definitely follow the values that you have learned.
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
sure.
ma'am.
Another obedient, brilliant child we had. Very nice to see you all graduating. And it was a wonderful journey, I think, with you all children. Once again, congratulations to all the children, and you're all be inspiring, like, to the other current children. Okay, children, the current group 1, group 2 children, like these akkas and annas, one day you should also complete the Balvika's entire course. And not only that, as Sudha Madam has told, you have to put into practice the values that you learn in these Balvika's classes. That is the real effect of our Balvikas. Okay, children? So you should make a difference, and wish you all the best. And shall we move on to the next agenda, next in our today's program? Yes, the most awaited mother and child activity. Yes, we have come to that. I request Archana Sairam to call out the group 1 children one by one, so that they can do the Matru Vandana. So group 1 children, as Archana Sairam auntie is calling out your name, that child open your video and do the Mother's Day special activity, whatever you have planned already with your mother. Over to you, Archana Sairam, for group 1 children. Sairam.
Sairam. Sairam children. So it has been a wonderful day, and we had a very nice start by learning all the stories, what Baba gave us the message through a great mother. So today we will see, we had planned some activities. We have some surprises for our mothers, right? Right, children? All of you have done something unique for your mother?
Yes,
Okay,
Auntie.
sure. So let's see that. Okay. So first, let me call upon Ahan. Can you come on to the video and show us what is that you have done? So children, we will not give, we will give maybe about 5 seconds. So please turn on your video and then be ready, okay? Because we have to complete the entire activity. So if you, Ahan, yeah, what? Tell us what is that you have done? What is the surprise?
Should I show it?
Yeah.
Fine.
Is your mom there next to you?
She's actually on a call. She's just finishing it in 2 minutes.
Is it?
Hmm.
Okay. Then we will, okay.
Can I do it later?
Okay, you can do it later. Yeah, you can do it later. Okay. So let's move on to Anaga.
I have done a heart.
You have drawn a heart. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, and did you give that to your mom? You should gift it to her, okay? So what is the activity that we have planned? You have to make something. We didn't want you to buy any gifts. We wanted you to do something on your own and then give it to your mom, right?
I do this by my own.
Okay, very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Can you show the picture again? So that all of us can see? Yeah, very nice. We will again post it in the group. Okay, Anaga? Good, very nice.
This is Mother Earth wearing a mask.
Mother Earth is wearing a mask. Oh, wow. That's why we said you should talk about it, what you have drawn. That's really beautiful. So sad that we have made Mother Earth to wear a mask now, okay? Anyway, let's pray to Swami that this also will pass soon, okay? Very good, Anaga. Congrats. Okay, let's move on to Trisha. Trisha, are you there? Order which, yeah, let me pin you so that we can see. Oh, that's wonderful. What is that? You have to explain what is that you have done.
Flower.
Wow. Okay. So gift that to your mom. Hey, very good. So nice. So cute. Very nice. Okay.
Maybe Sai Shailashri also, we can finish off Sairam.
Okay. Sailashri? What is that you have done? Oh,
Auntie, it's a
beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My God. Show it properly so that all of you can see, children. All the rest of you can see.
Yes, Auntie.
Okay. Very nice. Very beautiful. Okay. Gift it to your mom. Very beautiful. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Good. Okay. Let's move to Harini. Harini. Harini.
Ma'am, I cannot on my video, ma'am.
Is it? What happened?
You cannot start your video. It's coming, ma'am.
Is that so?
Yeah.
Just hold on 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Harini. Okay, now you try, ma. Yes,
Yes,
we can see you. Yes, very good. What is that you have done? Oh, so cute.
Greeting card, ma'am.
Okay, what is the message to your mother? What is the message? Read it out loudly, we can't see. What is the message?
Okay, ma'am, I'll read it.
Okay.
My lovely mother, in this day, I wish you all success for your future plans. May God bless you. Done
So
by
sweet.
Harini.
Oh, that's so sweet. So you're wishing your mother all the success, isn't it? So cute. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, fine. That was very cute, Harini. Okay, fine. Now let's move on
Thank
to.
you, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Now let's move on to Dhara. Dhara,
Yes, ma'am.
what is that you have done? Tushara and Dhara?
Yes, ma'am.
Badge. Wow. I love you, mom. So cute. Very nice. Okay. And Tushara,
Yes, ma'am.
what is that you have done?
A ring.
That's a ring, is it? Very nice. Okay.
And
So-
ma'am, this also.
Yeah. So if it's a ring, you put it on her finger. Put it on Amma's finger.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is this window?
What is that? We can't see. Sunita, can you put your phone on mute, ma? Sunita, please put your phone on mute.
Yes, auntie.
Put your phone on mute.
Ma'am, it's a window, ma'am.
Okay. And what is the message in that? Can you read out the message?
I love you, mom.
Okay. That's cute. That's very nice. Okay. Fine. So let's move on to Sambram. Sambram and Sakshat. Lovely children. So all of you are giving some unique gifts to your mom. Very nice. Sambram and Sakshat. think they are not there, is it? Usually they never miss. They were there in the beginning. Sambram?
They were there in the beginning. Yeah, he's
Yeah, there. Sometimes it takes time to. Yeah. Sambram? Okay, it's okay. Let them come online. In the meantime, Ahan, are you ready?
Auntie,
Huh.
I
Yes.
made a greeting card to my mother.
Oh, you made a greeting card. Very nice. And what is the message? Show us the card first and then show us the message.
Love you, Mom, and thank you for everything.
So cute. And where's the card? Okay. Okay, that's the card, is it? It was too small that we couldn't see, like an envelope. Okay, fine, very good. And what about Sambram? Yeah, so give it to your mom. Give that card to your mom.
Auntie,
Keep the phone properly. It's
drawing of a
shaking
mother.
too much. Yeah, show that. And without shaking the mobile much, you hand it over to your mom. Yeah, all of you, please keep your phone fixed, okay? Otherwise, you'll tend to shake it. Yeah. Sambram, give it to your mom. Okay, I think we lost him. Let's move to Trisha and again we'll come back to them, okay? Okay, Trisha, now you can open your video and tell us what you have done. Okay, just one moment. Let me pin you. Okay, Trisha. What is that? We can't hear you. Are you on mute?
Yeah, unmute yourself.
Sairam. She has to unmute herself.
It's craft.
Craft. Okay. Show us prop. Bring it closer to the camera. Oh, okay. Nice. Okay. Give it to your mom. And look at her eyes and tell her that you love you. I love you.
I love you.
Yeah. When you say that, you have to look into her eyes and mean it when you say it. Okay. Okay. This activity is more to ensure that emotional bonding with them. Okay, children. Okay. Sambram and Sakshat, can you show it now?
Archana, even Ahan was ready.
Ahan. Okay. Ahan, if you're ready, please come on camera.
Yes. I made a hand puppet.
So sweet. Okay. And what is the message?
I didn't write any message.
Now also you can tell her whatever comes to your mind.
Fine. I love you more.
Okay, so cute. Yeah, okay, good. So, do we have Gayatri? Gayatri? Gayatri?
Yes, Sairam auntie.
Yes. Yes, Gayatri, go ahead. We can see you.
Auntie, I have prepared a song.
Very nice. Sing it for her.
Kalye bhukyati mama janani paschamapi bodhayati. Kalye bhukyati mama janani paschamapi bodhayati. उष्णजलेन प्रावयति नववसनञ्चापविधारयति कल्ये बुध्यति मम जननी पश्चान्मामपि बोधयति आने तिलकं धारयति पुनरक्ष्णौ रञ्जनमां लिखति धारे तिलकं धारयति पुनरक्ष्णौ रञ्जनमां लिखति सुन्दरकुण्डलयुगलेनाम्बा कल्ले बोध्यति मम जननी पश्चान्मामपि बोधयति.
Very nice. Very nice. And what is the meaning of this? Can you explain this to everyone?
It says that when she wakes me up and she bathes me with hot water, and she gives me new clothes to wear.
Okay, great. Okay, so it's really nice that we acknowledge everything what our mothers they do for us, right? Okay,
Yeah.
very good. Excellent, Gayatri. Very nice. Okay, good. Can we move on to Purvisha and Sakshi? Are you ready? Purvisha, Pratyuksha, and Sakshi. Okay, looks like.
Arika is also there, Sairam.
Yeah. Okay, Sakshi is not there. Fine. Arika?
Yeah, she's there.
Okay.
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma. Let me pin you. Yes. What is that you have done?
Drawing.
Show it to us. What is that?
This is my mother.
So
And this is me.
cute. So sweet. And what is that on the left side? On the other side?
This is a garden.
Oh, so beautiful. And what is the message for your mother? What is
My
the
mother.
message? Yeah, what is the message you want to tell her?
I love you, Mom.
So nice. Okay, very nice. Good. Okay. So Purvisha, Pratyuksha, and Sakshi, they are not there. So we can move on to group 2, no? Bhavani, Saira.
Yeah. Yes, Sairam. Yeah, in case. Yeah.
Oh, Shilpa. Yeah, Shilpa is there. Shilpa, what have you done, ma?
Auntie, I done for one greeting, Auntie.
Oh, so nice. Show it. Let me pin you. Okay, just hold on 1 minute. Okay, let me pin you. Yeah. Show it.
Auntie, this I made, Auntie.
Okay, so nice. What is that? It's a drawing. Flower.
Yes, Auntie, it is one greeting.
Very nice. And what is the message? Happy Mother's Day. Is it?
I written Happy Mother's Day and I written I love you, Amma.
Okay, nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Auntie, I done for one pouch, Auntie.
You have made one pouch. Okay,
Yes,
cute. Very nice. Good. Okay. So
Auntie.
group 1 have I missed? I think I've called out everyone's name. Only Sambram and Sakshat couldn't come on video.
Sairam, sorry to interrupt. Yamunashri is there.
Yeah. Yamunashri?
Auntie, I have done greetings.
Okay, ma. Come on video. Wow. Beautiful, clear. Okay, nice. Give it.
Can I read the message, Auntie?
Yeah, give it to your mother. After reading the message, you have to gift it to her. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, auntie.
Okay. Read it. Read it. Read the message. Read the message, Yamuna.
Read the message. Happy Mother's Day, Mummy. May God bless you. A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. There is no way to be a perfect mother and a million ways to be a good one. Thanks for everything, Mom. Love you so much, Mother, from Yamuna.
Okay, very nice. Good. So all of us are wishing our mothers all success and blessing them. Huh? Okay, okay. Fine. Good.
Excuse
Okay.
me,
Now, yes, Sambram, your video is okay now? Yeah. Yamunashri, you can put your phone on mute. Yes, Sambram.
Auntie, do my mother.
Okay, what is the message? You drew her. Wow. You can bring it a little more closer to the camera so that all of us can see. Nice. Very nice. Later, take a closer picture of it and send it to the group. Okay. Very nice. Good. And what is the message?
Okay.
Yeah. And what is
I
the
will
message?
take care you. I'll take care of you.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. So this should be till the end of our life. Okay. Okay. Good. Good message. Nice.
Okay.
Okay. Very good. So shall we group one? I think we have covered everyone, Bhavani, now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. We start
Have
off
we missed out?
with
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Now, yeah. Anurag, are you there? Kana, can you show what have you done for your mother? Anurag. Next. Okay. Chandana. Chandana K, are you there? Okay. Charan and Kavita? They are not there. Okay. Grace. Yeah, I know your mother is in a different place. Grace, you want to say something?
No, auntie, I didn't do anything.
Okay, no problem. Yeah. Monisha? Monisha? Can you open your video?
Sairam auntie.
Yeah, Saira, Monisha. Yeah. Open your video and show us what you want to gift her or what have you planned?
Auntie, a bookmark.
Very nice. Can you read the what you have written in that?
World's best mom, always smile.
Very wonderful, Kanna. Wow.
Very true. Yamuna is always smiling. So very true, whatever you have written.
Auntie, I have made rings.
Give, sorry?
Rings.
Very nice bookmark you have done, Monisha. Rings also. Put it for her. Yeah.
Paper ring.
Paper rings. Yeah, put it.
Thank you.
Yeah. It is not the article, what the thing, what you have made. It is the emotion with which you have done. No, that is what matters. Mother will be different. Yeah. All mothers are today very happy. No, isn't it, mothers?
Yeah, all secretly done, no, without knowing anything.
Yeah, we told them several times. No, it should not be revealed before 4.
Yeah, it was not revealed. Thank you.
Yeah, we told them several. That is why we couldn't send any message in the group.
Okay.
We had to tell only in the class. So we started really almost 3 weeks classes before only. Okay, nice.
Thank
nice.
you,
Thank you. Narasimha and Vandana. Are you there, Kanna? Narasimha and Vandana? Okay. Parth is Pujari. Parth, are you there?
Narasimha, you must unmute. Narasimha, unmute. You opened your video, unmute.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Narasimha? Yes. Open your video and give Gift your mother whatever you have made.
He has opened the video.
Okay. Narasimha and Vandana. Unmute and speak, Kanna. Can you be a little louder, Kanna?
Auntie, I made a flower bouquet.
Okay.
Made a flower bouquet, he says.
Okay.
Very nice, beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful bouquet, beautiful, excellent, wonderful. It looks real actually. Doesn't look like a paper work. Beautiful.
Very nice. You want to say a word about your mother or something? You want to tell her something?
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah. Tell. Speak, Kanna.
I love my mother. Be smiling.
Be smiling. Okay. Vandana, what about you?
Yes, Auntie. Auntie, I made a greeting card.
Very nice. Sure. Very nice. Lovely card. Yeah. You have colored it so beautifully. Very nice. What you have written something in that? Can you read out?
My mother is the best mother in the world. My mother is very beautiful. My mother is my first guru and God. My mother helps me in everything. Even she is my best friend forever. I like my mother so much. I love you, Mom.
Very nice, Kanna. Very nice. Tumma khushi aitalva? Very nice. Very nice. Nice, Kanna. Very happy to see you all, doing such wonderful gifts and cards and words. Really touch our hearts. Very nice. This love and respect you should continue to show forever. Very nice. Very nice, Kanna. Yes, shall we move on to Parth? Parth, Parth, are you there, Kanna?
Parth is withdrew.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's opened. He's opened.
Yeah. Yes, Parth. What have you done?
Unmute, Kanna. Unmute through.
Auntie.
Auntie,
I have done a card, Auntie.
Very nice. Can you show that and give it to Amma? Wow. Can you read what you have written?
Okay, Auntie.
Yes. Read, Kanna.
Happy Ishwaramba Day. Ishwaramba is the mother of Sri Satya Sai Baba. We celebrate Ishwaramba Day at May 6th. Auntie, I have done a drawing.
Drawing, show that, Kanna. Very nice. Oh, so realistic. I think definitely you will become a very
bring it to the middle part. Show it now. Show it once again, ma. Very nice, beautiful.
Okay, well, you have written something in the greeting card, Kanna. You want to read that?
Yes, Auntie.
Yeah, please read that.
I love you, Amma. You always care for me. You are the best.
Mommy, you are the best. Very good. Super. Very nice, Kanna. Nice. Your mother Suma must be really happy to receive this from you. Very nice. Very lovingly you made, Kanna. Very nice. Very nice. Parth. Samanjas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sana, you be ready? Yeah. Samanjas?
Yes, ma'am. I have made a scenery for her.
Scenery, very good. Wow. Yeah, give it, Amma.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
show your face. Yeah. You want to say something? Samanjas? Say a few.
Yes, ma'am. I want to tell Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Very good. So I love you. You want to say that?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice to see you both, Kanna. Okay. Thank you, Samanjas. Nice. Sanai. Next is Sadvik. Yeah, be ready, Sadvik, Vaishnav. Yeah. Sanai.
Sairam auntie.
Yes, Sanai. Yeah.
I did a pencil stand
Pencil stand. Wow. Very good.
to my mother.
Very good. It's so big. Very nice. How did you make? It is made out of
Cardboard.
cardboard. Very nice. Very good, Prina. Little, yeah, show it. Little, yeah, little raise it and show it. 1 minute. Okay, you want to say something, Sanai? Samma? He's the younger brother of our Sanat who just graduated. No, we saw not the graduation ceremony. Brother of Sanat. Yeah. Yes, Sanai.
I love my mother.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Yeah, Sairam Samati. Yeah, very nice. Give it, Amma. Yeah. Good. You made a day. Very nice. Nice, Kanna. Yes. Sadvik.
Auntie, I'm out of station right now, so my mother's not here.
Okay.
And I don't have we both don't have the thing which we made.
Okay, okay. You don't have it right now with you. Okay, you want? She has also joined the joined this program. She has joined from wherever she is. You want to say something?
No, auntie.
Okay. Anyhow, Kanna. Okay, we understand. And Vaishnav also same thing. You both are in a different place now.
Yes, auntie. No, Vaishnav's here.
Sorry.
Vaishnav's here.
Vaishnav is here. No, but even he cannot. I mean, he has not made anything. No. You want to say? Yes, Vaishnav, you want to say something for your mother, Sadvik Vaishnav?
Auntie, I love my mother.
Shamma, okay.
Yeah.
Whenever you her or whenever you call her, you can just tell what happened today and wish her. Okay, Kanna?
Yes, auntie.
Very good. Nice, Kanna. Shivaranjani?
Yes, auntie.
I know you're in a different place, you told, but yeah, can you show what you have made for your mama?
Auntie, it is greeting card.
Okay, you've written something, Kanna, in that?
Yes, auntie.
Yeah, can you read out?
My mother's name is Jaisudha. She teaches me good habits and moral values. She takes care of each and every members of my family. In my life, I want to see my mother's smiley face in every walk of my life. She helps me to do my work. That's all, auntie.
Very nice, Kanna. Shivaranji, you have expressed all your feelings and emotions and wishes for your mother. Very nice.
Thank you, auntie.
I know your mother. Yeah, very well. Yeah. Very hardworking, very loving mother. Very good. Very nice. Very nice to see that you made a card for her and you've written so much about her. Very nice. Happy Shivaranjani.
Yes, auntie.
Very nice. Excellent. Yeah. Next, shall we move on to Sunita? Are you there?
Yes, auntie.
Yes, Sunita. Can you open your video? Sunita Sairam, Sunita?
Yes, auntie.
Yeah. Are you able to, yeah, yes. What have you made?
Greeting card.
Yeah, show the card. Okay. What have you written in that card? Can you read out?
Shall I read, auntie?
Yes, Kanna, yes, read, please.
Mother is called all universal godness. M for mother of mother makers. Mother is everything. O for obsessive office.
And now O for, I didn't hear properly. O for?
Observation of everything.
Observation, very nice. Okay. Yeah.
T for teach of life.
Teach,
Teacher
very
of life.
Teacher of life, very nice.
H for health in pain. E for instrument blessing.
Very good. Okay. R for?
R for retention of good.
Retention of good. Okay. So with the words, I mean with the words starting from M and MOTHER, you have made a card, is it? Very nice. Nice idea. Creative, Kanna. God bless you. Very happy to see your card and your words. Nice. Okay. All the best. God bless you.
Sairam auntie.
Sairam. Sairam, ma. Sairam. நீங்க வந்தது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். Thank you, ma.
Thanks auntie.
Yeah. Junior. Thank you, ma. Junior Varsha.
Sairam auntie.
Yes, Kanna. What have you made?
Sairam auntie.
Sairam.
Sairam.
Auntie, just a second.
Should be okay. Next, Vidyashri, be ready. Vidyashri and then Tanushri, both of you be ready.
Yes, auntie.
She has a balloon. Varsha, you're on mute, Kanna. Unmute yourself.
Auntie, I made a greeting to my mother in the balloon.
Oh, is it so? Okay.
She
Very
burst in the
great.
balloon and
All
got
of you are each one unique gift you made. Very nice. Read out, Kanna. Have you written something?
Yes, auntie.
Yeah. Yes,
My
Varsha.
mother takes care of everyone in the house. Every day, my mother prepares tasty meals for my father and me. My mother is a great person who cares for me, protects me from all my problems. She will always care about my health and food. I love you, Mom.
Very nice, Kanna. Very nicely written. Very nice. Very happy to see your words. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, auntie.
God bless you, Kanna. Varsha. Very nice gift. Nice wordings. Okay. Very nice, Kanna. Vidyashri.
Vidyashri, what? Explain about that. Yes, we can see you.
This is my mom and me.
Made a greeting for your mother.
Auntie, I have given one more.
Yes. Very nice. Can you read out what is written there? What you have written?
Yes, sir. Okay, I have did this. I wrote Happy Ishwaramba Day to all.
Okay.
Love you, my mom, because she worked so hard and buys me everything. Whatever I ask my mom, she will guide me. From your sweet daughter, Vidyashri.
Very nice. So whatever you ask, she does it for you, isn't it? So you're very lucky to have such a wonderful mothers, all of you, isn't it, children? Everybody has praised very nicely, very written, very beautifully, children. We are very happy to see your creative works. Tanushri?
No, Bhavani.
Not there. Okay, she was there in the beginning.
Yeah, actually she was there. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, so have I missed group 1, group 2 children? Have we missed anybody?
No, auntie.
All of you, all of you? All of you have done the mother and child activity. Very nice. Flower. Sorry?
You did not call the name.
Whose name?
Pratyuksha.
Pratyuksha she called. Okay, yeah.
Pratiksha, we called Ma. So many times we called Pratiksha.
Yeah, okay. Now you open your video. Yes,
Yes.
Very good, nice. Show, Kanna. Show and unmute and tell what you've written. Show your greeting card.
She's on mute, yeah.
Yeah. Unmute, Kanna. Unmute quickly. Unmute. We are not able to hear you. Varsha is not there. Okay, Pratiksha. Thank you. God bless you, Kanna. Okay, next we move on to the next agenda. I request Archana Sairam to administer a pledge for all the students. As a representative, our Samanjas, he'll be repeating whatever Archana auntie is saying. Children, all of you tell the pledge, whatever Archana auntie is telling, but be on mute only. Only Samanjas will unmute. Okay, is that clear? Yes, over to you, Archana Sairam, for the pledge.
Thank you. So all of you, please keep your phone on mute. Okay, only Samanjas will continue talking, and please keep your hand on your chest. Okay, so whenever we take a pledge, whenever we take a promise to ourselves, it has to be from the mind. Okay, it should not be that we tell something today and forget it later. So all of you keep your hand on your chest, and all of you should repeat like how Samanjas is going to repeat. Okay, so
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, ma, very good. Okay, so let me just share this screen so that all of you can see what is there on the screen, and then it will be easy for you to repeat along with us. Now, Samanjas, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, so my special Mother's Day pledge. All of you have kept your hand on your heart?
Yes, Auntie.
Good, very good. Okay.
Yes,
so
Auntie.
Yeah, Samanjas, so you can repeat with me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Dear Mom.
Dear Mom.
I realize how hard. No, I will read till the full stop and then you repeat, okay? Otherwise, it will take a long. I realize how hard you work for our family. Repeat.
I realize how hard you work for our family.
As we celebrate motherhood today, I promise.
As we celebrate motherhood today, I promise.
1. I will respond immediately when you call.
1. I will respond immediately when you call.
2. I will respect your opinion and not snap back.
2. I will respect your opinion and not snap back.
3. I will help you in your chores.
3. I will help you in your chores.
4. I will keep my room clean and my belongings properly.
4. I will keep my room clean and my belongings properly.
5. I will be responsible and will study without being told.
5. I will be responsible and I will study without being told.
6. I will eat healthy and be fit.
6. I will be healthy and be fit.
I will eat healthy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
7. I will spend quality time with you.
7. I will spend quality time with you.
8. I will give you a day off once a month.
8. I will give you a day off once a month.
9. I will make you proud by my behavior.
9. I will make you proud by my behavior.
10. I will love and respect you always.
10. I will love and respect you always.
Okay, very good. So this is a pledge that all of us are taking, and it's not that we are just going to say this today and leave it, children. We are going to circulate this to all of you. All of you, please take a printout of this and clip it next to your study table, wherever you are sitting and doing your studies, right? You clip it there and always remember this point. This is not only for this day, this should be there forever. Okay? Good, very good. Sairam Bhavani.
Sairam, thank you, Archana Sairam, for that pledge, for administering the pledge for our children on behalf of our children. Thank you, children. Now I thank Swami for the smooth conduct of this event, and I thank Srimati Sudhamurthy and other Samiti members and our divine mothers and parents who have joined us today. You have taken time off and you have joined us. You have made this day a great successful day, a successful event by your gracious presence. Thank you one and all who have joined us, and thank you for your time. Now I request for the Archana Sairam for the Aarti.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जनों संरक्षक भक्त जनों संरक्षक पार्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकर सर्व प्राणपते स्वामी सर्व प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतीका जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं हरिहंतयु नीवे स्वामी हरिहंतयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्र शयन ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेव सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुको मंगल आरती अंदुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति शांति शांति
समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोक सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोक सुखिनो